This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening WordUp and signing in. Use email or your social account. Once logged in, grant the microphone and storage permissions so speaking exercises and downloads work. Next, select a target level and pick an initial list of 20 to 50 words. This gives you focused practice. You'll see an import option. Use it to sync across devices. Make sure to enable notifications for daily reminders, because consistent practice beats cramming for retention and progress. Once your list is ready, switch to spaced repetition mode so difficult words appear more often. You should customize each deck. Add a short note, synonyms, and an example sentence to create memory hooks. Then use the app's audio playback to learn pronunciation, record, and compare your speech. Move through speaking drills and timed quizzes to build recall under pressure. If progress stalls, adjust the interval to shorten review gaps, because repetition with varied context cements learning much faster. To finish a session, clear your daily target by completing review and practice tasks. Review any mistakes and mark mastered words so they cycle less often. Track progress in the stats panel, watch accuracy percentages, streaks, and weekly time spent to measure improvement. If something goes wrong, no audio, sync errors, or missing words. First confirm permissions, then clear the app cache and finally reinstall if needed. If issues persist, export your deck before reinstalling so nothing is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.